Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome back to Rebuild Resale. Got the truck and trailer hooked up. 6 o'clock in the morning before the sunrise. I'm about to get it in. We about to go to Connecticut, family. I got Mrs. Rebuild. She gonna drive some of the way. And we're gonna take y'all along with us, man. Sightsee a little bit. Pick up this ride. Try to make some good content. I'm finna check these tires on the trailer. Just check everything, make sure everything good before we leave. And I'll get back with you guys on the way. What up, YouTube? We made it to Connecticut. Me and Miss Rebuild. I didn't get a lot of video last night because it was rainy. And I had to focus on the road and it was crazy, but we finna head to Boston. We'll get some more footage or content when we get to Boston. See you when we get there. Right, YouTube family, we are in Boston, Massachusetts. Me and Miss Rebuild here. We about to sightsee. We are at what is this? Quincy Market. We're at the Quincy Market. Finna walk around, see what's going on out here. I hear some drums playing. So we're gonna go down here, see what's up. The buildings in the background. Always wanted to come here. Finally made it. We're inside the Quincy Market. So many different key places in here. I think this is bagel place, breads, salads, fruits, everything in here, guys. Oh my God, look at the sausage.
They got what we just kind of make
I wanted that too. Oh.
Okay.
And then beef.
Okay. So that's pork.
Okay, the hot dog.
Yeah.
So much to choose from. You got the smoothies over here. Yeah.
How overwhelming it is.
Yeah.
And we're just halfway in.
Alright, okay, you got your noodles and rice right here.
That's Zeke.
Yeah.
Thank you. Because we're gonna compare this with the
Hola, chicken.
Thank you. On thumbs up. Alright. Got your seafood, lobster.
Hey, you wanna try some sample? Come here, amigo. Clam chowder.
Oh, I don't eat clams.
Say you do.
Man, I cannot waste an opportunity. How about lobster?
No.
I was just trying to be nice.
Alright. I don't eat clam, but I just wanted to be nice. I'm finna throw this away. Alright.
Example of that. That's something sweet.
Yeah, you can grab it.
Strawberry smoothie.
Okay.
You want to taste it?
Yeah, grab. Get rid of that.
Oh, that looks good.
Man, this is good.
Sherbet ice cream.
This is delicious. Alright guys, we're in the center of Quincy, Washington. They got seating up here. They got seating down here.
One of the unique things about this marketplace is they have a lot of them stand up and eat.
Yeah, right,
So
right,
these are stand up
right. People standing up and eating, sitting down.
because they feel like it's healthier.
Yeah, stand up and eat. Yeah.
And my son does that all the time, and I tell him, sit down.
So, babe, where you want to eat at? What kind of food do you want?
No idea. That's not even that place with that lady.
What was the name of it?
I know when I see it.
Calm dog.
Let's walk all the way down.
El Paso enchilada.
Let's walk all the way down there and walk back up.
Oh, sorry, babe. Yeah. Philly cheesesteak. Oh, okay. Hello.
Then this place is upstairs too.
What's a bar? A pub? Okay, I'm gonna stop back here. Get me a nice stiff drink.
Go out, that's a lot of shopping malls are. Boston Celtics.
Yeah. I don't like the Celtics, but. Alright, now we are in this area that looks like that this is where you shop it. Got t-shirts, phone cases, hats, all kind of little stuff down here to buy.
She collects these. Julie does.
What are those?
Pins.
Oh, okay.
She collects them.
Okay.
Yeah.
just smoking it out in the open like it's a cigarette. Alright guys, we are
One or two.
at the Boston Tea Party Museum. This is where the so-called revolution began. Taxation without representation. They said through tea off the boat. So I'm finna go in here and see where they threw the tea off the boat. This is the museum right here, guys. Yes, I don't know what this is. This is Boston Harbor. I'm not sure, but we're gonna go check it out. Alright guys, we didn't go in the museum because you gotta buy tickets to get in there. We weren't finna pay, but okay, this is where they say that the Boston Tea Party started. That this is where they threw the tea in this water right here. So I don't know if this is the boat, but it may be just something like a replica. But it's right here on this harbor. And hey, I got to see it in my lifetime with my own eyes. And guys, Boston is a nice city. It's crowded as hell, but it's a nice city. I wouldn't want to stay here, but it's a nice place to visit. Everybody chill, minding their own business, and there's a ton of places to eat. We don't even know what we're gonna eat at, so we're gonna walk about a mile to Chinatown and see if we can find something. My baby is hungry
And cold.
and cold because she put on this little thin jacket. Alright guys, we are in Chinatown, Boston, Massachusetts, and we're gonna try to find us something to eat here. We saw some other stuff at the Quincy Market. A lot of seafood we don't eat, so we decided to come down here to Chinatown, walk around, try to find something to eat, see if we can find some bootleg stuff to buy. But anyway, this is Chinatown. eat. This is what my wife wants, so we're gonna try it. I like mine well done. What is this? Which meat is this?
The steak.
Okay.
That's the lamb. This is the spicy beef. That's the garlic beef.
Okay. Alright guys, we're leaving the Happy Lamb Hot Pot. I am full and we gotta walk about 2 miles. But if you ever come to Chinatown in Boston, go to the Happy Lamb Hot Pot. It's delicious. I tasted seasonings that I never tasted before. It was crazy. So, guys, we're finna walk back over to the marketplace and probably get us a drink. But I would do this again, guys. But anyway.
That's it. Hit me something. Oh my God. It's right here.
Let's go. Let's cut this.
Like, I know probably within, like, you not say that.
City of Peace. Stop.
Spicy Batman hot.
Yeah. The Elephant and Castle Pub and Restaurant.
Most part.
Oh yeah, I mean, they got
Now,
a
let's
whole
see the
system
New
of
York
people.
add up to that though.
Oh yeah, that's a whole different animal.
Say if you don't call my name, it's in all this world.
What up, fam? We back at the hotel in Connecticut. We walked around in Boston for a minute after we ate at the, I forgot the name of the place, but whatever is on video. And when we was pulling in the hotel, I saw a food truck. And it was a wing truck. And anybody that know me, I'm a wing connoisseur. I used to have a food truck selling wings. And when I saw it, I had to come and see what these wings was about. And this guy just right here in the middle of the street by the hotel on the grind. So I ordered the food earlier. I'm coming back to pick it up. And I hope it's as good as he said it is. Food truck, what is that? Wings on wheels. And guys, it's about 11:30 at night. This dude's still out here on the grind. But anyway, let me get these wings. Got me ready, man?
I got you ready.
Okay.
So now tell me, a drink barbecue sauce for you. Listen, I'm Marcus.
Marcus, I'm Daryl.
Yeah, I'm nice to meet you.
All right, nice to meet you, man. All right. Okay, bro. Yo, cool brother. You know, he out here hustling. He got his day job. You know, 2 sources of income. He grinding it out. I love to see that, man. And I'm gonna come back and support this guy, you know. I hope these wings are good. If not, I'm gonna tell him tomorrow. But hey, fam, we enjoyed our day in Boston. If you get a chance, go to Boston, man. It's a nice city. It's just nice all the way around. We enjoyed ourselves. So guys, finna get back in this hotel room, eat these wings, take a shower, and crash out. I'll see y'all tomorrow in NYC. Peace.